Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the ear speaker not working problem during calls on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore clear calling audio. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.